Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see how to find a maximum and minimum value from an array. So let's say we have one array which having some numbers and we want to find out the maximum value from these elements or from this number as well as the minimum value from these array elements. Now let's see programmatically how we can find it out. I am going to create a new Python file. I am naming it as max and min element from an array. We have created a Python file and we want to find out the maximum and minimum value from this array, right? So first let's assume that we define one variable. I am defining one variable max value, and let's store the first element from this array in that variable. Now we know that array index always starts from 0, so this is nothing but the first element, that is 0th index element from this array. We are assuming or we are storing that value in the max value variable, and after that we will compare with each and every element of this array. So we will compare that max value with the next element, right? If the next element is greater than of that max value, then we will simply store that greater element value in that max value variable, and we will keep iterating with the next element. So if the next value is greater than this max value, then we will store or we will interchange that element value into the max value, and if it is not greater than, then the max value will remain the same. So eventually after all the iterations, we will simply get the maximum value present in the overall array. So for that I am also going to store, so how many times we will need iteration, so that will depend upon the size of an array. So in Python we can simply find out the size of an array with length method. So I am just storing the size, that is in this case 7, right? So we have 7 elements, so size is 7. So that will be, we are storing in the variable of n, and that we will use for iterations. So now let's use for I in range, and we will start with the first value, because we have already stored the 0th, or we have already stored the a value which is present on 0 index to the max value. So we are starting with the second position, that is having the index of 1. So we are starting the range function with 1, and up to we have to iterate up to the value of n, and n is nothing but size or length of that specific array. So in this case it will iterate for 6 times, and in that I am going to use one if condition. If we will simply compare, if the value of element present on ith position is greater than max value, if it is greater than max value, then we will simply store that value in max value variable. We will simply store, for example, we will compare 4 with 3 first. So is 3 greater than 4? No. So max value will remain same. In the next iteration, we will compare this max value, that is 4, with 2. So is 2 greater than 4? That is again not true. So it will not go to if condition. So it will simply go for next iteration. In the next iteration, it will come to 9. So is my 9 greater than 4? So answer is yes. So it will go to the if condition, and it will simply store that 9 value into the max value, right? So now my max value will become 9, and in the next iteration we will compare 9 with the 5, right? So is 5 greater than 9? No. So it will again go to start. So it will check whether 7 greater than 9, again no. Is it 4 greater than 9? Again not. So max value which is having the value of 9 will be printing, right? So we will simply, after this we will simply print comma, and let's print the value of max value after the iterations. right? Now let's run the program. So when we run the program, we can simply get the value that is 9, which is maximum value from this array. So this is the logic basically by which we can find out the maximum value present in specific array. Now let's add or let's change few more elements. Now let's say I'm going to add 16 comma let's say 24, right? So I have added couple of elements in this array, and now let's run once again this file. So it should print the value of 24 now, because right, so if you see the output maximum value is 24, so our logic is working correctly. So this is the program to find out the maximum value present in the array. Now similarly for minimum element, we can again, now let's see, for the minimum element is also very simple. We just have to change a few things. So now let's say again I have one array, that is my array with the same elements. I am going to check. So in this case we are again going to store, let's say, min value variable. We are assuming that first value of the element, first value of this array is minimum value. We are assuming at the start. After that I am going to store the size of an array as well. So n variable is containing the size of this array. And after that let's use for I in range. Again we will start with 1 up to n, and then we will use one if condition. If we will compare this minimum value which we have stored by the first element, we will compare with the next element. If the next element value is less than of 4, or the first element, that is minimum value, then we will store that next element value into the minimum value variable, right? And after the next, and in the next iteration we will again compare that value with the next element. So if again the next element is less than of the minimum value, then again we will store that next element value into the minimum value variable. Similarly we will keep iterating, and at the end obviously we will get the minimum value present in that specific array. So I will simply compare if this time it is less than, so we are checking if my number of value present in ith position in the iteration is less than of min value. If it is less than of minimum value, then we will simply put, we will simply store the that specific value of ith element into my value variable. After that let's simply print that value of minimum variable, element present in the array. So we will simply change this statement to minimum value is, we are printing min value. So this logic will simply print the minimum value present in our array. So in this case, what is the minimum value here? So 2 is the minimum value. Now let's run this file. Right, so it's printing maximum value is 24 in the starting, and for this minimum condition it is printing minimum value is 2 in this array. So we are simply comparing, or we are simply iterating the values. What we have done, so we have stored the first element that is present on 0th index of the array to minimum value variable, and after that we are comparing that value to the next value present in the array. If the next value is less than of the minimum value, then we are storing the ith element value into the minimum value, and again we are in the next iteration we are comparing it with next value. So it will keep going iterating until the last element, and if, and at the end it will simply printing the minimum value which is stored in our logic program, right? So this is the way we can find out maximum and minimum values present in the array. So thank you for watching.